Hello and welcome to this week's Cryptoverse. My name's Kyle Rodder. Well, the fallout from the FTX collapse continues. In this week's episode, we share the latest goings on in the market and look at price action across Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin. The crypto universe remains enveloped by the FTX scandal. Details continue to emerge about the fraudulent behaviour of the exchange, with the new CEO of the company, John J. Ray III, a former Enron executive who is responsible for winding up the business, stating, "Never in my career have I seen such a complete failure of corporate controls and such a complete absence of trustworthy financial information as occurred here." Fears of contagion remain elevated in the crypto world. Brokerage Genesis is reportedly the latest to experience financial stress as it attempts to raise cash to fund its lending unit. The broker came under pressure after it was revealed it has approximately $175 million locked in an FTX trading account. The problems have also bled over to the crypto exchange Gemini, owned by the Winklevoss twins, which has halted redemptions because of the situation with Genesis. Volatility across the crypto universe has diminished over the past week, inspiring hopes that the worst is behind the market. However, prices continue to grind lower amidst fears of further instability in the asset class. Bitcoin's price action remains bearish, with price remaining below key support resistance around 17,500. From a technical standpoint, the next key level to watch is a support zone around $12,000 to $14,000. A pushback above 17,500 may build hopes of buyers wresting control of the market. The 20-week moving average will be another resistance level the bulls will look to overcome. Despite the volatility and general bearishness in the crypto universe, along with some mudslinging towards the token's founder Vitalik Buterin, Ether's price has held up relatively well. It has yet to make a new low, although price has slipped below the 200-week moving average as the crypto remains in a downtrend. Key support appears to be around $1,050 with a break of that level opening up before potentially to $1,850. Dogecoin's post-Musk acquisition of Twitter surge has reversed. However, the meme coin remains above where it was trading prior to the development. Price is currently finding support at the 100 and 200-day moving average.